This is an ORG or organization chart which I have created in Excel. Before creating the new chart, let's see what all we have. On the left hand side, we have got our company logo. After that, the top position we can see on top, CEO. After that, the staff or the people who will be reporting to CEO are over here. People who will be reporting to CFO we can see over here, and people who will be reporting to COO we can see over here. Staff who will be reporting to HR manager can be seen over here, and staff who will be reporting to ops manager we can see over here. This ORG chart or organization chart is fully dynamic. Let's see how. On the left hand side, we have got our data. Currently it's hidden. I'll unhide this. So we can see the data over here. On the top, we have got CEO. If I change the name, we'll put as Vijay, enter. On the right hand side, name got changed. And when I change the designation, enter, designation got changed over here. I'll undo this. How many staff will be reporting to specific designation is mentioned over here. Let's start creating a new organization chart now. I have opened a new workbook. We'll rename the sheet. This will be ORG chart. We'll click on A1 and we'll take the column closer. We'll click on B2. I'll take my data from my example file. So I have taken the data. We'll go to View tab and we'll remove the grid lines. Over here we will insert a formula plus or equal to COUNTIF, bracket open, range. Reporting to will be my range. We'll press F4 or function F4 and we'll lock the range, comma, criteria. Criteria will be employee name. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. And as a result we got 2, means there will be 2 people who will be directly reporting to CEO. We'll drag this down. In the same way, there will be 2 direct reporting to COO and 2 direct reporting to CFO. 1 direct reporting to HR manager and 1 direct reporting to ops manager. Now we will create our ORG chart. We'll click outside my data. We'll go to insert. We'll come to right hand side. We get the option of smart art. We'll click on drop down, list, and we'll select any smart art from here. On the top, we can see smart art design, layouts. I'll click on drop down. We'll come down and we'll go to hierarchy. From here, I'll select fourth one. Perfect. We'll take this to right. We'll increase the size of ORG chart. We can see text over here. You can insert your text over here directly, but in that case, ORG chart will not be dynamic. So I'll click on the edge. We'll go to Home tab and we'll do the font color as white. We'll do the same thing for all the text. Perfect. 2 people will be directly reporting to CEO. On the top we have got CEO. So over here we will put 2 staff who will be directly reporting to CEO. Over here we will put COO, 2 direct reporting to COO, we can see over here, and 2 direct reporting to CFO. We will have CFO over here, and we have got just one place or space. We'll click on circle, we'll right click the mouse, add shape after. Perfect. Over here we will have HR manager and ops manager. One direct reporting to HR manager. So we'll click on round shape, we'll right click the mouse, add shape below. Over here also we will add one more shape. We'll right click the mouse, add shape below. Now we have got total 9 shapes. We'll go on top. We'll go to insert, shapes, and we'll select a rectangle with round edges. We'll resize this. We'll place it over here. We'll double click on the shape. On the right hand side we can see format shape window. We'll come to the center, shadow. We'll give it a black shadow. Now we will close this. We'll go to shape format, shape fill. We'll select white, and from here we will do no outline. Perfect. So we got a shape over here. We'll click on the shape. We'll press Ctrl and we'll drag the shape. In this way, copy will be created. We'll resize this. We'll click on top shape. We'll go to formula bar, plus or equal to. We'll click on CEO name. Enter. We got the name over here. We'll go to Home tab. We'll align this in center. We'll change the font style. We'll do as Arial black. We'll increase the font size. Now we will click on second shape. We'll go to formula bar, plus or equal to, we'll click on designation, enter. We got the designation, we'll align this in center and in mid. We'll change the font style, Arial black, we'll increase the font size. We'll take this on top, we'll double click on the shape of designation, we'll come to the center, we'll remove shadow from here, we'll close this. We'll go to home tab and we'll change the font color. We'll click outside. Now we can see name and designation together. We'll click on the shape and we'll select the shape of designation. We'll right click the mouse, we'll come down, group, and we will make it a group. Now I'll press Ctrl, we'll come to the edge and we'll drag this. We'll place over here, we'll drag it one more time, we'll place over here. We'll click on this shape, we'll press Ctrl, we'll drag this down. We'll place it over here, we'll resize this. We'll reduce font size, we'll leave it selected, we'll press Ctrl and we'll drag it down. Copy will be created, we'll drag to right side and we'll drag on top. We have to keep on pressing Ctrl. We'll create more copies, one more copy is required. So on top, it's CEO John Smith. We'll click over here, we'll click in the very beginning of the name. This will be COO and name is Alice Johnson. We'll come to designation, we'll click in the beginning. We'll press right arrow key, this will be COO. We'll come to right hand side, we'll click just before name. We'll press right arrow key, Mark Wilson CFO. Now we will come over here, we'll click just before name. We'll right click the mouse, we'll press right arrow key, Sarah Lee, HR manager. In the same way, we will do all the changes. So we have inserted all the names along with designation. Now we will click on shape where we have to insert the picture. We'll double click, format shape window will open, we'll come in the center. Shadow, we'll give it a black shadow. We'll create shadow for all the shapes. Perfect. We will close this now. Now we will click on top. We'll click on the circle, we'll right click the mouse, change graphic from a file. We'll look for the picture of John Smith. This is the picture. We will click on insert. Picture got inserted. In case you want to resize the picture, just go to picture format, crop and resize the picture as per your requirement. Click outside. Alice Johnson. We'll click on the shape. We'll right click the mouse, change graphic from a file. Picture of Alice Johnson is over here. We'll click on insert. Mark Wilson. We'll click on circle. We'll right click the mouse, change graphic from a file. We'll look for Mark Wilson. Insert. We'll go to picture format, crop and we'll resize the picture as per requirement. In the same way, I'll insert picture for all the staff. Perfect. All the things are done. Now I'll click on names of James Miller. We'll press Ctrl and we'll drag the shape. Copy got created. We'll delete designation from here. We'll click on the shape. We'll go to home tab. We'll align this in center. We'll drag the shape. We'll put it over here. We'll delete this. This will be ORG chart. We'll increase the font size. We'll go to shape format, shape fill, and we'll change the shape color. Text fill we'll do as white. Perfect. Now I'll click on top. We'll go to insert. Pictures. We see two things over here. Place in cell, place over cells. We will go to place over cells. Picture from file. We'll select our company logo and we'll click on insert. Our logo got inserted. We'll resize this. We'll place over here. We'll double click on the picture. We'll come in the center and we'll give it a shadow. Perfect. All the things are done. Just one thing is missing. What will happen if I'll reposition this chart? All the things are not moving together. I'll undo this. I'll click on chart and we can see a thick line. Now we will press Ctrl or Command and we'll select all the names. We'll select our company logo also. We'll right click the mouse, group. We'll make it a group. Now wherever we want, we can move this. Now we can hide our data from here. Hide. And our ORG chart is ready now. In the same way, you can create your own ORG chart. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.